Hey guys, in this video we will do a fire alarm update, and we already did. So yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, so if you see my sister, don't worry about her. She just came out from the shower. But yeah, I just hope you like this video. And let me pull this pole station now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, just kidding. So yeah. Yeah, I will be right back and reset the pole station, and I will be right back. Alright, I came back, so I'm gonna silence it, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, so there's my fire alarm, there's my wheel lock. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and maybe comment if my comments are opened. So, be right back. Alright, we're back. I saw it. I resetted it, so yeah. I'm gonna open up the pole station. That's what it looks like inside. Damn. Alright. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one.